Here's the chicken Afghani recipe. Afghani chicken is a popular Indian appetizer made of chicken marinated in a rich, creamy marinade, and the dish has a smoky and a rich taste. If you like this recipe, please subscribe and ring the bell. We begin by cleaning and roughly chopping 3 green chilies, 1 medium sized onion, 10 to 12 garlic cloves, 2-inch ginger, and 1 fist coriander leaves. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. Put them in a blending jar. And blend them together to make a smooth paste. In a separate blending jar, blend together 150 grams of curd and 100 grams of fresh cream. Blend only for a few seconds. This is 500 grams of chicken, and we marinate it with half teaspoon salt, 1 lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon chaat masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala powder, and half teaspoon dry fenugreek leaves. Now add in both the paste that we prepared earlier. And 2 tablespoons of refined oil. Marinate it well. In a pan, heat around 5 tablespoons of oil. And fry the chicken pieces only. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. Fry the chicken really well. Now add in the remaining marination. And stir fry for around 2 minutes or over high flame. You can now cover and cook it for about 8 minutes on low flame, stirring occasionally. Chicken is well cooked, so you can turn off the flame and allow it to cool for a minute. Light a small piece of charcoal and in a bowl placing in the center, add in butter, the charcoal, cardamom and cloves and cover it for 2 minutes. This will help to get that smoky flavor.
I hope you liked this video, so please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell to get notified about all my recipes. Thank you for watching.
I don't see ya. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun.